Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss the problems from exercise 1.1 sum number 3 and 4. Third problem is write the following sets in the roster form. So the first subdivision is set A is equal to set of all x such that x is an integer and minus 3 less than or equal to x less than 7. So the x integer is from minus 3 to 7. So the integers we can write from negative numbers 0 and the positive numbers. So from minus 3 till 7 they have given the condition, and here they have given less than or equal to, so we have to consider from minus 3, and here they have given less than 7, so we should consider till number 6. So we can write the set A as minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in the roster form you should write the numbers between the curly braces. Second subdivision is B is equal to set of all x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So the natural numbers start from 1 and goes till its infinity. So we have to write only the numbers less than 6. So the set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next problem is set C is equal to set of all x such that x is a 2-digit natural number. It's a 2-digit natural number and the sum of the digits is 8. So 8 can be written as 0 plus 8. So the numbers we can write it as 0, 8 and 80. So here 0, 8 we cannot write it, because if you write it as 0, 8 we can write only the 8. The value is only 8, and they have said here it is a 2-digit natural number. So we are going to consider only 80. So 8 can be written as 1 plus 7. So if you add 1 and 7 it gives the answer 8. So we can write it as 17 and 71. So 1 7 if you add you get 8, and 7 plus 1 you add you get 8. So these are the two ways we can write the 8. And 8 can also be written as 2 plus 6. So we can write it as 26 or 62. 8 can be written as 3 plus 5. So we can write it as the numbers are 35 and 53. 8 can be also written as 4 plus 4. So the number is 44. So again 8 can be written as 5 plus 3. So the numbers formed is 53 and 35. So here we have already got 35 and 53. This number is repeated. So we are not considering this. So again if we check, the next number is 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 we have already have it here. So we are not going to repeat, we are going to stop here. So now we are going to write down all the numbers we have found. So I'm going to write from the smaller number in the ascending order. So set C is equal to 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71 and 80. The next fourth problem is set D is equal to set of all x such that x is a prime number which is the divisor of 60. First you are going to find the divisors. So 60's divisor is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. And see here we are going to consider only the prime number. We know that 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number and 5 is also a prime number. So prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 and by the number itself. So the elements are 2, 3 and 5. So here 2 is written 2 times. So while writing in the set, we have to write it only once. The elements should not be repeated. Hence the set D is equal to 2, 3, 5. Next problem is set E is equal to set of all letters in the word trigonometry. Here the word T, R and O are repeated twice. So it should be written only once. Set E is equal to T, R, I, G, O. Here it is N, M, E, Y. Sixth subdivision is the set of all letters in the word better. So in this statement, E and T are repeated 2 times. So we can write the set F as B, E, T and R. So this is the roster form. The elements, if it is repeated twice or thrice, you should write only once. Fourth problem is write the following sets in the set builder form. So we are going to write the given subdivisions. They are given in the, you are going to write in the set builder form. So here, see here, you have 3, 6, 9 and 12. So these numbers are in the multiples of 3. So 3 can be written as 3 into 1, 6 can be written as 3 into 2, 9 can be written as 3 into 3 and 12 can be written as 3 into 4. So this is of the form 3 into n. So where here see 1, 2, 3, 4, these are natural numbers. So this small n belongs to the set of natural numbers. Hence we can write this as x such that x is equal to 3n, where n belongs to n and the n's x value start from 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, so you are going to add 1 also. So we are using less than or equal to symbol x such that we are using less than equal to symbol 4. So 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. We have to write 1 and 4 also. So that's why we are using equal to symbol, less than or equal to symbol. So this is how you write in the set builder form. We'll solve another problem so that you could understand better. See here you have 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So see here 2, we can write it as 2 power 1. 4, it is 2 square. 8 we can write it as 2 power 3. 16 we can write it as 2 power 4. 32 we can write it as 2 power 5. So it is all in the square forms. So it is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, and 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. So it is of the, we can write in the general form as 2 power n. So x such that x is equal to 2 power n belongs to natural numbers. And here it starts from 1 and ends till 5. So we are writing as 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. This is how you write this in set builder form. Third problem is 5, 25, 125, 625. So here you see it's of the power 5 power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 3 and 5 power 4. 625 we can write as 5 power 4. So we can write this as x is equal to 5 power n. So this number is also natural number. So n belongs to capital N. And here these natural numbers start from 1 and ends till 4. So 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. Now we are going to solve the fourth problem. 2, 4, 6. See first the natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here they have given 2, 4, 6. These are even numbers. So we can say that as even natural numbers. So even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and it goes on infinity. So we can write the in the set builder form as x such that x is an even number. Even natural numbers. Fifth problem is 1, 4, 9, 100. So 1 here it can be written as 1 squared, 4 can be written as 2 squared, 9 can be written as 3 squared and 10 can be written as 10 squared. Hence we can write this as x such that x is the square of natural numbers less than or equal to 100. So the numbers till 100 and the numbers less than 100 is given. So we are writing at x is the square of natural numbers less than or equal to 10. And another way we can write this as x such that x is equal to n squared, n belongs to natural numbers, and 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. So here you see the n values changes. So we are writing it as n squared, and that n belongs to natural numbers starting from 1 till 10. Here it is given, so we are considering it as natural numbers, and from 1 it starts from 1 and ends till 10. So 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10.